Welcome to Bristol, once a busy dock where sailors and merchants would trade goods and set sail on voyages of discovery. Bristol's Harbourside is now an attractive, modern development filled with bars and restaurants, shops and hotels. Help me to continue bringing you improving content by subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Let's have a look around. Love locks, meant to symbolise love, have begun appearing on bridges in major towns and cities across Europe over the last decade. The most distinctive features of the bridge are the pair of horn-shaped sculptures that you can see here, which act as counterweights for the lifting section. We're crossing Perrow's Bridge. It's a footbridge that spans Bristol's floating harbour and opened in 1999. It was named in honour of Perrow Jones, an enslaved African who lived in Bristol. Now a quay, cafes, bars, restaurants, a place just to meet up and chill out. A traditional narrowboat, has been in continuous service since 1936. Now has a licensed bar at one end and one of many offering boat trips. Is he going to make it under the bridge without ducking? No, he's done that before. The John Cabot statue in Bristol stands as a prominent landmark that commemorates the remarkable achievements of an explorer who played a vital role in maritime history. In 1497 he embarked on a journey from Bristol's harbour aboard the ship Matthew. In search of a westward route to Asia, his expedition resulted in the discovery of Newfoundland. We will see a replica of this ship shortly. The Balmoral entered service in 1949, initially as a ferry between Southampton and the Isle of Wight. The ship has been here since 2017, when she came in for refurbishment. M Shed is Bristol's social history museum. After the Second World War, two state-of-the-art general cargo sheds, L and M, were built, here to cope with the post-war trade, hence the museum's name. The curb building is Cannon House. It was built in 1990 as a pivotal element within the post-industrial repurposing of Bristol docks. It was the former regional headquarters of Lloyds Bank, and you can see in the background a cathedral. This is a full-size replica of Matthew, built here in Bristol to celebrate the 500th anniversary of Cabot's voyage. Wapping Wharf is a flourishing new neighbourhood in the historical and cultural heart of Bristol. It's well known for its incredible array of independent restaurants, cafes and shops, as well as cargo, which houses many of these in temporary converted shipping containers. The striking banana-shaped crane is the Fairburn steam crane, now the oldest surviving exhibit of its type in Britain. It's now been restored to full working order. Miss Condor was built in Florida and officially launched and sailed to New York in 1990. Unlike a normal super yacht, she had no cabins and few portholes. Instead, she was fitted out with huge kitchens and wine cellars below deck, with a huge restaurant and lounge area on the main deck, and a circular piano bar on the top deck. She operated a premier diner cruise yacht in New York City for some 20 years. Her well-heeled clientele would fly on board in their helicopters from their big skyscrapers for a spot of lunch or maybe a business meeting. As you've seen right along the quayside, the railway tracks, here you see the point levers. There are steam train rides on some Sundays during the summer months along the quayside from the M Shed. There's quite a collection of freight wagons along the sidings here. These electric cargo cranes are a landmark feature of Bristol's docks, being a link to the city's 1950s trading heyday. Hello to the guys on the bench, thanks for the thumbs up. The colourful Georgian housing up there is Redcliffe, Parade West. The luxurious apartments are sought after. A one-bedroom apartment is just sold for $365,000. Just to the right there is BAZAAR, advertised as the largest all-you-can-eat buffet in the UK. Please check out my video in the description below to see a tour of the restaurant. A great range of bars and restaurants along here. giant mirror ball in Bristol's Millennium Square is part of the city's science museum, a planetarium fully equipped with the latest technology and has tiered seating for up to 90 people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.